In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change your speed in Catalog Avatar Creator. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have joined Catalog Avatar Creator, you might have noticed people running around very fast, and if you try to do the same by pressing Shift, pressing Control, Escape, whatever, nothing will happen. You can only walk at this speed. So what you have to do to change your speed is to go over to the settings, choose player. So click on settings at the bottom right corner of the screen if you are on PC. Go into player, and in here you will have a bunch of options, and upon scrolling down you will be able to find speed, jump power, and gravity. So now you can decrease or increase your speed. First, if I set it to 1 and I press W, you can see how slow I'm moving. So you can move like a snail if you want to. But of course, I assume most people will want to go fast. So let's put it to 50 for example and see how this looks. So as you can see, even the animations are sped up, and I'm able to cross a long distance on the map in a short amount of time. If I go back and I increase it even further, all the way up to 100, I'm walking at double that speed, so you can see how fast I'm able to go. So maybe your friends want to meet up in a specific corner that is more excluded from everyone in the middle. You can just run to that corner, and once you get here, decrease your speed. You also have other options, so jump power and gravity. So if I set the jump power to something very high, I'll be able to jump, and you can see how far I go. Again, you can change these according to your personal preferences. 500 makes me jump a lot. And you can even change the gravity. So if I set gravity to 500, this is how it looks. I'm able to go back to the ground very quickly. But if I set it to 1, you will notice how much longer I stay in the air for. So this is a single jump with gravity at 1 and jump power at 500. I hope I was able to help you on how to change your speed in Roblox Catalog Avatar. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.